Good afternoon, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the honest trader. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, February 20th, 2013. It's 5:20 p.m. Italian time. I want to remind you the Italian time zone is in GMT +1. This video is a quick review of the daily chart of the Europex continuous contract. That's what you see on the screen, but I will also review the 4-hour charts, let's start from the daily chart. You will remember that I have been looking at this level of support, which I consider iffy, which I consider dodgy, not trusty, the 133.60 area, and we tested this last week, but then we dipped into it. However, during the basically the most of last week, this area 133.60 acted as a support, and price actually rallied yesterday and in the morning, and it went into a resistance area. It's a resistance area that I trace like this from the highs in of last week, and as we can see, price never came above 134.42, and actually, as I'll show you in the 4-hour chart, this move lower we had in the afternoon broke the back of the bulls on the other side on the smaller time frame, as I'm going to show you. This setup showing resistance in 134 10 to 15 area here into the 134.40 as a target in the 132.57, so 132.60. that would be the first target, and as you can see, that target would actually pierce the 32.76, which is the level that I'm monitoring from last week, because that level, piercing that level on the downside, will actually nullify all this area of support here. So that's for me very important. So the fact that price reacted to a short setup having a first target below that level, it's very important. Where we can get, as you know, from the last few weeks, I've indicated the potential retracement all the way into the 129, and the reason for this is that extension long failed on this chart, and you can review the February the 8th video on my blog in order to understand that. Now it's also important, so I'll keep monitoring this 132.76 area, which is for me very important. If we fail that, and now I'm anticipating that to happen, maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow or by the end of the week, we should continue lower, and the first level where we should stop is right at this 100 day moving average before we get to 129 area, and the reason for that is that we have a short setup, a bigger short setup that we couldn't trade because the front end was too big. But that's what program trading is looking at the moment. It's this 135.30 area of resistance having first target, again, very importantly, below that 132.76, and second target right at where price will meet this 100 day moving average. So that's the plan for the remaining of the week and the beginning of the coming week. Now, I want to review very quickly the 4-hour chart. That's what you see on the screen. That's again the continuous contract of the Europex currency future, and that's the 135.30 area of resistance that I've indicated before, having a target in 132.70 and a second target in 131.40 area here. Now, in the morning, price came into this level of resistance, the same that I've indicated on the daily chart, and having a first target below that 32.76, and indeed it's in 32.60 area here. But the most important development we had in the afternoon was failing the measure move that the program trading to the upside so the bulls were using, and we had a reaction. We had multiple tests of this 133.80 area, but eventually price came below it. So this removes an important group of bull players here in this chart, and we can actually continue now lower towards 132.57. Again, I want you to remind this important level. That's the 32.76. It's traced from the lows the beginning of January to highs, and if price gets below 132.76, we should have our way clean for price to get to the 132 and then 129 area. I hope this review was interesting. If you want to get more information, just go to my website. You can subscribe to my free newsletter, in which I share setups not only for the euro but also stocks, forex. I have a selection of stocks from NYSE and Nasdaq I'm looking at frequently, and I also publish video review on the major forex pairs. So you can go to my website, and on the left side of the home page you also find the icon to subscribe. It only takes 10 seconds. I wish you a very good day, a very good remaining of trading week here, and be careful, watch this important 132.76 level, because this is going to be very important, as I explained in this video. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a great evening. Bye bye.